Hey guys, today we are doing fidget trading, and so this is Kane. He's hiding back here. There he is. Right, get back. And then this is Jay. Okay, and then I'm Amber, obviously. And yeah, so today we're doing fidget trading, and we're gonna get on with the video. So this is our fidget trading board thing. So obviously, so there's the tick, the add and the cross. So add is, so like you add a fidget or however many, and then
tick is when you accept,
and then the cross is decline. So yeah. Right, so I am starting the fidget tray, and
I see what she got.
Yes, so I am going to be putting down this pink puppet bear.
It looks so cute.
Yes,
Wait,
and this pink spike ball.
Ooh.
So let's see what Kane has to offer.
I'm
What do
going
you
to
have?
put down this pink gingerbread man.
Oh, that is pretty good.
And I'm going to put down this green dino egg.
So am I going to have to add, since I've got littler things? You can press
So
add
I
if you
got
want.
bigger things.
Yeah, but you can press add if you want.
Can
You want me to add?
Yeah. Such a big.
I'm going to add this.
Hmm.
Infinity cube.
Do you think I'm really that dumb? Add.
Oh, this is really hard at that. Fine.
I am your little brother.
I guess I'll add this pink cat
Tabasquishy.
I accept. Okay, yes.
There you go.
Stop.
So
Right, so now it's Kane's turn, and he's going to show you what he's going to offer.
I'm hitting myself. I'm going to offer this. I'm hitting myself puppet die. Here's the puppet dice. It's so cool. You can use it like a real dice and a puppet.
Okay, are you going to put down anything else?
And I'm going to put down... She already has this, so no. I'm going to put down this car puppet.
This is some dimple.
I mean, simple dimple. It's really so cool.
So, I'm going to be putting down this slug for that. And then for the car dimple, I'm going to be simple dimple, yeah. I'm going to be putting down a lips. So what do you think? I think I'm going to accept it. What do you think? Okay, good trade. So this was our trade. I got these, and
I got these. Love these.
Don't mind Jay in the background, lol. Right, so that's my turn to trade, and I'm going to be putting down this cake puppet that I got on holiday once.
It looks like a poop. There's a hole.
And then there's this.
Poo-poo.
Thank
So
you.
colourful.
Yes, and then sorry about that. I'm also going to be putting down this water snake thing.
It's water with glass.
No, it's a water snake.
You sure?
That's what you call them. And then I'm going to be putting down this blue pop tube. What do you have to offer?
I have to offer this green Orby squishy and away.
What is that for? Is it for this?
Yeah. And I also have this squishy cow. So cute. It's what it
Anything
looks
else?
like. And for the cake, this puppet bracelet. So cool. You should buy one.
I'm gonna have to say to you, you are gonna have to add because this is like it's a bit bigger and it's better quality. And plus, it cost me like quite a lot.
Okay, so I'm gonna add this orange Labubu. So here it is up close. La la boo boo. And I'm also gonna add something else for quality. This blue Labubu. For that.
I guess I'll accept.
Yay!
Alright.
Take leave. Okay, so I'm going to trade this Tangler and this strawberry squishy. So cute and soft. Everyone should buy one.
Oh, so what has he offered? He's offered a strawberry type squishy.
And a tangle.
And a tangle. Ooh. I'm gonna put down this.
These are legendary.
Yeah, legendary. Right, so there's this fish bone thing, like monkey noodle. I'm gonna put down. I'm gonna put down this cat mochi, and then I'm also gonna put down. I'm also gonna put down this green marble mesh.
And your little brother, what do you expect from me?
Yeah, true. I'm gonna put down this capybara.
Do you think I'm not dumb?
But you're not
Oh my god. Just accept it. That's not a good offer.
9. No, you're 9K.
I already got one. Guys, let's just compare.
Yours has a bigger rip though. So accept, decline or what?
Slow down.
Because I think I'm going to accept. Okay, that's approved. Right. Okay, so it's my turn again. So I'm going to be putting down this big pink heart dimple. I'm going to put down pink puppetry.
I would take that.
Not a puppet. Puppetry. Don't do that. And then there's this texture monkey noodle. And then I'm also going to put down this pink type of squishy paw with white. So yeah.
So cute.
Right. Stop. Let's see what you have to offer from your collection.
So I got this 3D printed lizard that
What's that for?
This.
You having a giggle? That's small. Right, add.
Alright. And this. I really love it.
Anything else?
It's very lovely.
I think you need to add, sorry, but
And-
I've put down quite a lot.
And this big heart and bear. And what?
Yeah, I want you to add.
This big.
I've
Add.
already got that.
Oh, okay. Throw in the trash. Now, like all these monkey noodles. Okay. With the monkey noodles.
Oh, okay. I accept actually.
Thank you.
I just got you scammed. I'm joking.
All day.
Right.
I got a tab.
Right.
My
This
turn.
is Kane's turn and it's the last round. Because
Bum bum bum.
I don't want the video no longer than 10 minutes. Right. So what do you have to offer?
I got this ball, and I got this pig and octopus, and I got this puppet phone, and I also got this capybara.
Right.
I already got one. Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to put down this tabber. It looks like a cat toast thing. Like, yeah. And then
So
there's
cool.
this poppet. I'm going to put it on top so it doesn't stick to the paper actually. Yeah, a red poppet. And then an Orbeez stress ball.
Ooh. I have to feel if it's good quality.
I'm pretty sure it is.
Good quality, now the puppet.
And then there's a fidget spinner dimple.
Ooh.
Yeah. And then
I'll just check if it's good quality.
that's my thing done. Because I think I put down a pretty good offer.
Hands. Okay, these are all good fidgets, like all good quality. But if you look over here, I got 5, but you got 4, so.
Yeah, but yours are pretty small.
Damn.
But this.
It's a little bit over 10 minutes, but it's fine.
But that's quick.
I guess I can add this Labubu thing.
Exact.
Looks tiny.
Okay, accept.
Levi, I'm taking this end the video. Over 10
Okay,
minutes.
guys, that was such a good fidget trade, and
We'll do it tomorrow.
yeah, we'll probably do another video. Of course, we're not actually keeping each other's fidgets because, yeah, but once we get more fidgets, we will actually do more trading. So yeah.
Yeah, we'll probably